Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the multiturn sensor and the multiturn sensor plate of a CM actuator. First of all, you have to cut the power. All you need for this kind of repair is a 5mm Allen key and the Phillips BH1 screwdriver. First of all, open the cover. Be careful when you lift the cover to not damage the connection underneath. Disconnect the cover and open the 4 screws of the logic board. You can either flip over the logic board or disconnect the wires. I would prefer to disconnect the wires. Disconnect the flatband cable and put the logic board aside. Now you can see the multiturn sensor plate and the multiturn sensor itself. If you want to remove them, you have to open the 3 screws there. Now lift the multiturn sensor plate and put it aside. Take your new multiturn sensor plate and multiturn sensor. On the below side of the multiturn sensor, there is a small plastic guiding. By turning the wheels, the gear wheels, you can rotate the plastic guiding. The plastic guiding has to fit inside the sensor shaft. When the multiturn sensor plate and the plastic guiding is correctly attached, you are not able to turn the gear wheels inside of the multiturn sensor. Now mount everything back together. Connect the flatband cable on the below side of the logic board. And connect all other cables. Carefully mount the logic board again. Attach the cable of the display and mount the display cover again. Carefully not squeeze any cable. Tighten the screws with a 5mm Allen key and power up the actuator again. Now we have to calibrate the multiturn sensor. We have to go to parameter 19.33. There you can find muse calibration. Now with the red switch Edit, change the value to 1, execute and save. After that, your actuator is calibrated and your multiturn sensor is calibrated again, and you can set the end limits accordingly.